Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So in this video, we will guide you through the process of fixing the Ethernet connectivity issue on your HP docking station. So we understand the frustration that arises when your docking station failed to establish a stable internet connection. So our step-by-step tutorial will provide you with easy to follow instruction and ensuring that you can resolve this problem efficiently. So by the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and confidence to troubleshoot and fix the Ethernet not working on your HP docking station. So stay tuned and get ready to regain seamless connectivity. Now let's begin. First solution is you have to update your software from the HP website by going to this website, and now you have to scroll down. First, the other option is download drivers, and then you have to choose your version like laptop, desktop. Then you have to type your laptop ID. So after this, you have to install your new drivers. Then install the software on your HP laptop. So connect the docking station and go to the Thunderbolt software control center. So select the docking station to connect without asking every time. In solution 2, you have to adjust your BIOS setting. First, you have to restart your HP laptop and press the designated key or often F2 or delete button to access BIOS setting. First, in during startup. And now navigate to port option. So in the BIOS setting, then if available, so choose Thunderbolt without security or a similar option. So you have to save changes and exit BIOS, restart your laptop and connect the docking station. Now we are here, solution 3. Check Ethernet driver. First, you have to visit the HP website support page for your specific docking station model. Then download all Ethernet driver for your docking station. First, going to the HP website support page. Then we have to choose this other option. There you have to type your docking station serial number in your device. After this typing, you have to download the all dock Ethernet driver for your docking station. Follow for the Ethernet driver and follow on instruction to complete installation. After this, there are solution 4. Disconnect external keyboard. Disconnect any external keyboard, connect into your laptop, then plug into your docking station and your laptop Thunderbolt port. So check if the Ethernet connection is now recognized without any external keyboard or interference. So these are the simple solutions you have to take in when you tackle the problem of your HP docking station Ethernet not working or connecting. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in our next video.